Hello and welcome to my gluten-free plate. This is where I'm going to show you how I make this flexible, soft, fluffy quinoa bread. I'd have to say it's one of my favourite breads that I've made using this ingredient. Here's just a quick look at some of the usual suspects I use in my quinoa recipes, which I'll include in the description box below. To your rinsed and drained quinoa, you'll be adding some chia seeds, psyllium husks, some salt, and of course some seasonings. I like to use rosemary and some garlic powder, but you can use anything you like. Keep blending until your mixture reaches a smooth, creamy consistency. So spray the surface of your tray with some water or oil to secure the paper, and then spray that with some oil so that your mixture doesn't stick. This is such an easy recipe, it doesn't take long to prepare at all, and as you can see it's almost done. All we need to do now is pop that into the oven at 210 degrees and cook for about 15 to 18 minutes. What you'll do then is remove it, flip it over and cook it for a further 5 to 8 minutes until it's done. Now, I've made quite a few quinoa flatbreads, and I think this is one of my favourite ones. It's really flexible, it's soft, it's light, it's fluffy, and it's perfect for wrapping all your favourite ingredients in. Just take a look at this, just there. Yum. And speaking of flexibility, just look at how easy it is to wrap that up and roll it around. And best of all, it's gluten-free. It contains no yeast, only just a little bit of baking powder. And the other good thing about this bread is that you can actually freeze it, take it out and use it later. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to my channel, liking the video, and I'll see you next time.